So in 2020, Joseph brought me in with a single goal: to see if this firm needs a marketing department. I know you are having a very important board meeting about this at the moment, and you are going to vote on whether to continue this program. Well, in the spirit of transparency, I am so excited to show you what we have accomplished. Please enjoy. Back in 2020, we just started with an idea, but the problem was we had no content. We did not know what to do. So after years of testing, we narrowed down that the most effective content would be a combination of success stories and entertainment. At this point, you're all familiar with the success stories already, but we knew it was not enough. We also wanted to showcase the amazing culture in our firm. Let's look at our YouTube platform really quick, because there we were able to grow from about 11 subscribers and 4 videos to now over 160 videos and almost 8,000 subscribers. And now we have a true crime podcast after hour, Let's Talk America, a Peter Drucker video series, How to Win Law School, CBP Expedited Processing, The Firm, and much, much more. Okay, that's a lot of content. But the CBP series alone, it reached thousands of people and helped us be retained by almost 500 families. And that's just our channel. We've been able to reach tens of thousands of more through Joseph's weekly videos with the Chinese Yellow Pages, his collaborations with other huge legal platforms on YouTube, and of course our annual AILA conference recap videos, which have now become a tradition. In this entire process, there are a couple of things that you expect. Number 1, our channel is going to grow. Number 2, the amount of videos is going to grow. Number 3, the quality of said videos is also going to improve. But something we certainly did not expect was how many people would call us from around the world. So within the last year, we've been able to do paid consultations with clients from Singapore, Tokyo, Johannesburg, New Delhi, Islamabad, London, Sao Paulo, Vienna, New York, Tallahassee, Harrisburg, San Francisco, Toronto, Houston, Berlin, Paris, and much more. The number of paid consultations has increased by 700%. The next big thing was to improve our platforms, because videos are not enough. Well, let's look at our website really quick. sungslaw.com is completely optimized. And I don't just mean the chat, which is awesome. The features that we added are all with the user in mind. In addition, all the information is up to date. It is fully integrated with all of our other platforms and the amazing content that we publish. Our variety of content is also available in Chinese and Spanish. Please keep in mind that that information is not just auto-translated. It had to be customized and manually translated by our team. But the best part about this is all the improvements, optimizations, and the growth will continue. Now, our website had to step up because it's in the core of all of our services. But we don't skip leg day, because with it, we also have grown all of our social platforms. Clients or any other viewer can interact with our firm in so many ways. For example, on Instagram, where we run amazing campaigns to showcase our culture, or on Facebook, a more professional channel where we actually get a lot of leads as well, or on LinkedIn, where we show our spirit of excitement, experience, and expertise to professionals in the legal world. Not only that, but we're also exploring some really fun and fresh platforms. For example, we're all avid readers, so why not have a Goodreads where we post some really great, thoughtful reviews on some of our favorite books, or on Medium, where we publish engaging and interesting articles. And to give you a cherry on top, we have about 15 photography accounts on which we post high professional grade photography that we're currently growing right now. We have grown so much. We started out with just one attorney with an idea and one business intern who was still in school. But now our department has grown to our very own sound designer, web designer, SEO team, videographer, photographer, editor, copywriter, marketing coordinator, project manager, investigative journalist, a Chinese team, a Spanish department. I know it's expensive. I know it doesn't just happen for free or for fun or out of nowhere. A lot of money is invested into this. But in this short period of time, we have come so far. In the beginning, we did not have a studio. We did not have the audience that we have now. We didn't have an extra battery-full camera. We had one. And that had like 20 minutes of runtime. Just to show you, this is the very first success story that Joseph and I ever shot. When I say that our camera battery sucked and our lights were basically non-existent, you'll see what I mean. Number 1 for the success story number 1.
If you're able to prove your case, really convince them, let them understand your situation, then you're allowed in. Otherwise, good luck. Thank you.
I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, I'll see you next year, and I look forward to your vote.
Hey guys, it's Sammy. I'm an intern here at Song & Associates, and my vote doesn't really matter, but if it did, I vote yes.